Hello friends, today on this video I am going to tell you about simple ways to have a spiritual life. To have a spiritual life, you don't need to convert to any religion. You don't need to buy any bunch of books or any worshipping items. Just try these simple ways to progress on a path which will lead you towards a spiritual self. Explore your spiritual core. Ask yourself about your existence. Who am I? What is the purpose of my life? Why did I born in this universe? These questions will lead you on a path where you will think deeply about your existence. Get it out. Express what is there on your mind that is worrying you, confusing you. Write it down. This will help you think clearer. Do yoga. Yoga is a technique which will help you in improving your spiritual wellness by reducing your physical and emotional strains on your body and mind. Spare some time in the morning or evening to do some yoga. Help others. We are all here on this earth to help each other. Extend a helping hand to people in need. Smile at strangers. Hug your near and dear ones. Whenever you get a chance, help someone who is in problem, because God is answering someone's prayer through you. Make a wish list. Make a wish list like self-love, self-acceptance, self-appreciation, self-gratitude. Don't think much. Just write down things which will make you happy. Spend 15 minutes every morning in the sun. Use the 5-5-5 routine. 5-minute meditation, 5-minute stretching, and 5-minute mental preparing for the day. This will definitely set the tone of the day. Learn to forgive. Forgiveness is very important for your spiritual growth. We don't realize it, but when you hold on to some wrong thing done by someone, it results in trauma. Make a forgiveness list, which include name of people who did anything wrong to you. Forgive them. Practice patience. Try to calm your mind when you find yourself in some irritating situations. It is not that situation but your own thought which irritate your mind. Stay calm in situations like this. Laugh it out. Laughing carries an energy of joy, playfulness and happiness, which will increase your high for life frequency. Laugh your heart out whenever you get a chance. Believe in yourself. Trust yourself. Trust your instincts. Have a faith on your existence. Try to connect to this universe. Love yourself. Yes, you heard it right. Love yourself. Nobody will do this for you if you don't. Love yourself for everything you have gone through till date. You must love yourself for everything you have achieved and managing it so beautifully. Yes, you are the best. Meditate. Don't force yourself to meditate. Just sit in a quiet place and take deep breaths. Focus on your breathings. Watch your thoughts as it come and go. Start increasing your meditation time slowly. Spend some quality time in environment. Take a walk in green environment or forest. Feel that cool breeze against your face. Feel that freshness of green trees. This will definitely enlighten your mood. Express gratitude. Express gratitude towards the universe, towards this earth. Be grateful for all the good things that happen to you.